Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English with Emma. Here, we make learning English simple, smart, and super fun.
Hi, Emma, and a big hello to all our awesome learners from around the world. I'm so happy to be back on another episode.
Same here, Jack. So tell me, how is your day going?
Pretty great, actually. I had my morning coffee, took a short walk, and now I'm ready to teach. What about you?
I'm doing great too, and I'm extra excited because today's topic is something special.
Ooh, special. Sounds interesting. What is it?
Well, it's a secret method that many English learners don't know about, but it can really change the way you speak English.
A secret method? I love secrets. Tell us.
Okay, but before we begin, a quick reminder for our listeners. If you enjoy our lessons, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It helps our channel grow.
Yes, and if you turn on the bell icon, you'll never miss a new episode.
Perfect. Now let's reveal the secret. It's called the shadowing technique.
Shadowing, like a shadow that follows you in the sunlight?
Exactly. When you walk, your shadow copies your every move. And in English, shadowing means you copy the sounds and rhythm of a native speaker's voice instantly.
So it's like listen and repeat.
Almost, but not quite. In listen and repeat, you wait for the person to finish. In shadowing, you speak with them at the same time.
Wow, that sounds challenging.
It can feel strange at first, yes, but it's a powerful technique. Imagine how you learn a song. You listen many times, and then you start singing along, not after.
Ah, I get it. So shadowing is like singing along to English speech.
Exactly. And it helps you sound more natural. It improves your intonation. That's the melody of English.
Right, like when I ask a question, my voice goes up at the end.
Yes, and shadowing also trains your mouth muscles, your tongue, lips, and jaw to move like a native speaker's. It's like a gym workout, but for your mouth.
So I don't need dumbbells, just my voice.
Exactly. Let's go through the steps. Step 1, choose easy audio. Pick something clear and slow, like this podcast. Don't start with fast movies or complicated news.
Got it. Something simple first.
Step 2, just listen. Listen once or twice before speaking. Understand the meaning and get used to the rhythm.
Right. You can even read the transcript if it's available.
Step 3, start shadowing.
Step 3, start shadowing.
Now play the audio again and speak together with it. Don't pause or stop if you miss a word, just keep going. Now play the audio again and speak together with it. Don't pause or stop if you miss a word, just keep going.
So, flow is more important than perfection?
Exactly. Think of it as a game. Stay in rhythm and have fun.
Step 4, record yourself. This step is for brave learners. Record your voice and compare it to the original. You'll hear where you sound different and improve fast.
That's scary, but helpful.
Yes, and it builds confidence too.
Okay, Emma, let's challenge our listeners.
Good idea. Everyone listening, your challenge is to try shadowing this very episode. You can copy my voice or Jack's.
Yes. Speak with me when I say, hello, everyone. Let's see who can keep up.
And don't forget to smile and copy our emotions too. Happy voices learn faster.
That's so true. Shadowing helps you feel the language, not just say the words.
Exactly. So let's review quickly. 1, choose easy audio. 2, listen first. 3, speak with the speaker, not after. 4, keep going, don't stop. 5, record and compare if you can.
You got it. Practice a few minutes every day, and you'll sound more natural in no time. And remember, small steps every day make a big difference.
Well said, Emma. Time flies when we're learning.
Thank you, Jack. And thank you to all our amazing listeners. Please subscribe, share, and keep practicing.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep shadowing.
Bye, everyone.
Happy shadowing!